Let's learn how to deploy a smart contract within a smart contract with ARC4.ARC4_create method. The code example in this video will be deploying this simple Hello World smart contract. There are two ways to deploy a smart contract with inner transaction, using the ARC4.ARC4_create method or the itxn.applicationCall class. The recommended method for deploying smart contracts within a smart contract is to use ARC4.ARC4_create method, as it provides a high-level API that makes it easy for you to deploy a smart contract. All you need to do is pass in either an ARC4create method defined in the smart contract or an ARC4 contract with a single create method. In this example, we're calling the ARC4_create method, and we're passing in the Hello World contract class imported from another directory. This one line of code will deploy the Hello World smart contract using inner transaction.